In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Shopify Dawn theme. First, log in to your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, head to the Content area. This is where all your written assets live, including blog posts, so it's the perfect starting point for building out your store's editorial content. Inside Content, select Blog Posts. You'll land on a list of any existing posts. Click Create Blog Post to open the editor. This page is where you'll write, organize, and optimize everything your readers will see. Click into the main content area to start writing your article. Keep your paragraphs scannable and include clear subheadings so it's easy to read on the Dawn theme. If you're pasting from another document, give it a quick format check to make sure spacing and links look clean. Add a concise summary so your post looks great wherever it's previewed. Look for the field labeled something like "Add a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog," and type a 2 or 3 sentence excerpt. Dawn uses this excerpt on blog grids and can surface it on the homepage if you add a blog section in your theme. Next, scroll to the search engine listing area and click to expand it. Here, refine your SEO title, meta description, and URL handle. Aim for a clear, human-friendly title and a description that tells readers what they'll get, while naturally including your main keyword. Short, specific, and helpful works best. Add a featured image by clicking Add Image. Choose a high-quality, on-brand visual that represents your post, then confirm by clicking Done. Featured images help the Dawn theme create an inviting blog grid and improve click-throughs. If possible, use a landscape orientation and keep file sizes optimized so your pages load quickly. Assign the post to a blog by opening the blog dropdown and selecting News. Many stores use News as the default blog, but choose whichever blog you want this article to appear in. Take a moment to review any highlighted settings in this area to ensure everything matches your content plan. Now, click into the title field and add a clear, descriptive headline. Make it specific, benefit-driven, and aligned with the content your readers will find in the post. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your blog post is now set up for the Dawn theme, complete with content, excerpt, SEO details, a featured image, and the correct blog assignment. You can always return to refine the copy, swap images, or improve SEO as your content evolves.